very warm good morning to everyone present here. I am Shaurya and today I am going to tell you a new method to calculate addition and multiplication without using pen and paper. So to do this, we would be using Vedic maths. Now, many of you might be wondering what is Vedic maths. So, Vedic maths is a collection of techniques which is used to make our day-to-day calculations easier. So, now I am going to explain you left to right addition by shunyant method. So, shunyant method is basically a method in which we place a zero after doing every step starting from the left side. Now, let us see an example to understand it in a better way. For example, we have the number 32 and 16 to be added. Now, the first step, now we have the digits 3 and 1 on the tens place and the digits 2 and 6 on the first place. Now, let us proceed. We will be starting from the left side and we have the digits 3 and 1. The sum of the digits 3 and 1 is 4, and after doing their addition, we would be placing a 0 which would make it 40. Now we would be moving to the ones place and the digits on the ones place are 2 and 6. Now let us add these digits. The sum of these digits is 8, and by adding 8 to 40 would make it 48. Now let us have another example 2. Now we have the number 532 and the number 240. So here basically we have a change, and the change is we have a 3-digit number. Now let us add this number. Again we will be starting from the left side and let us start addition. We would be adding 5 and 2 first. The sum of 5 and 2 is 7, and after placing a 0 to 7 would make it 70. Now we will move towards the tens place. The digits on the tens place are 3 and 1. Now by adding 3 and 1 we will be getting the digit 4, and by adding 4 to 70 would make it 74. Now again we would be adding a 0 to 74 which would make it 740. Now at last we are going to add the digits on the ones place. The digits on ones place are 2 and 4. By adding the digits 2 and 4, we would be getting the number 6, and by adding 740 to 6 would make it 746. Now, I am going to explain you how to do multiplication using the same method. Here we have the number 23 and 14 to be multiplied. Now, here we have a slight change in multiplication. In this, we have to do a vertical multiplication of 2 and 1, cross multiplication of 2 and 4, and 3 and 1, and would be ending this by doing a vertical multiplication of 3 and 4. Now let us start. First of all, we need to do the vertical multiplication of the digits 2 and 1. This would result to the number 2, and by placing a 0, we would be getting the number 20. Now we are going to do the cross multiplication of 2 and 4 and 3 and 1. This would result, the answer to this would be 11. By adding 11 to 20, we would be having the number 31. By adding a 0 to 31, we would be having the number 310. Now, at last, we are going to do the vertical multiplication of 3 and 4, which is equal to 12. At last, we would add this to the number 310, which would make it 320. So, in this way, we solve multiplication using shunyant method. Now, let us take another example. Now, we have the number 24 and 22 to be multiplied. By starting from left side again, we would do this multiplication in the way I tell you. So, we would be doing the vertical multiplication of 2 and 3, which is equal to 6, and cross multiplication of 2 and